Some breaking news: there was explosions near the office of the French Prime Minister. A truck caught fire in central Paris near the office of the French Prime Minister, causing an explosion. The blast occurred during a scheduled meeting between Lecornu and politicians from the centrist bloc. Police say the vehicle contained gas cylinders. The Paris Fire Department added that the sound of the explosion came from small aerosol cans, not gas. The good news is no injuries have been reported. Have a look at this 30-second clip video. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button.